Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I've created some Ramadan hampers. They are personalised to whoever they are for. I've sourced my items from small local businesses. Forest Sunnah provide organic prophetic remedies at a reasonable price, and I purchased the dates from Products. These come straight from Medina. Both items would look great in a gift pack. That's one of the reasons that I purchased their items as well. Because I'm giving it as a gift, I wanted to make sure not only was the product amazing, but also the packaging looked like it was something that I'd want to give somebody as a gift and include it into my hamper. If you look in the description below, I've given details of their information, where you can go to find them. Don't forget to look at the links and check them out. Forest Sunnah and Products. If you like the video, don't forget to share, subscribe if you haven't already. Do add comments as well, because it's important for me to understand how you felt this craft video went for you. And if there's anything else you'd like to see, I'd be happy to give it a go. Hope you enjoy doing this. Assalamu alaikum. I've picked out a basket with a handle. I've shredded some black paper, shaking it out and spreading it around. I've chosen this colour because I'm trying to create a masculine looking hamper. So black and white are the colours I've gone for. The first thing you look for in a Ramadan hamper is dates, surely. So I've gone for dates from Products. These are directly from Medina, definitely ideal for a gift hamper. The packaging is very attractive with a golden black and a window to see the dates. Equally, the quality of the packaging and the black seed oil from Forest Sunnah also appears like a luxury item and is ideal for my hamper. Once I've placed my items neatly inside, labels faced forward, I'm wrapping it with cellophane. The cellophane needs to meet right at the top, so I need to cut it out so it's large enough to do that. Then I'm gathering both ends slowly and taping it together. I'm pushing the sides in, down the bottom near the handles, and sellotaping that. White gift string then wraps around the neck of the cellophane. This should be a little lengthy, so you can slide a gift tag on, and so you can create a curl. I'm adding a very short black ribbon to appear like a bow tie. And I'm curling up the white string with a closed scissors. For my tag, I'm going for a business card size. The back of the card is white, and on top of that, I'm using black card, just slightly smaller on the edges. I've got some gold shiny letters, all in lowercase, but it will spell out Ramadan Mubarak perfectly. I've gone for white gems, 4 on each side of the black card. This will now be hole punched and weaved in through the gift string at the neck of the hamper. After I fan out the cellophane at the top, I'm wrapping the handle in the white string again. I've started with a bow on the left hand side and I'm going all the way up, leaving about an inch spread. I've gone all the way round up to the top and then coming all the way back down again. Making sure I have excess string, I am ending by tying a bow once more. I'm checking the other side to see how much excess I should leave so both bows are equal. Other bits I've added in here are soft dried apricots, soft date cookies, and also Yemeni honey. This honey is made by bees that have fed solely on the cedar tree nectar in Yemen, which nicely completes the personalised Ramadan hamper. Let me know what you thought of the video, don't forget to comment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.